If the start of a new year makes you feel lost instead of motivated, you're not broken. There's a psychological reason for that, and it happens more often to intelligent, deep-thinking minds. For most people, January feels energizing. It feels like momentum, fresh goals, and optimism. Social media fills with plans, resolutions, and confidence about the future. But for some people, the new year feels strangely heavy. There's confusion instead of clarity, reflection instead of excitement, and a quiet sense of disorientation that's hard to explain, especially when everyone else seems so sure of where they're going. Psychology shows that this reaction isn't random. It's connected to how certain minds process time, growth, and identity. Most people experience a new year like a reset button. The past is mentally closed. Mistakes feel erased. Motivation comes from the idea of starting over. But intelligent minds don't experience time in clean chapters. They don't reset easily. They carry context forward. Unfinished thoughts remain active. Emotional patterns don't disappear just because the calendar changes. Meaning continues. So when January arrives, instead of excitement, the mind starts reviewing. It asks what actually changed, what stayed the same, and what still doesn't make sense. This internal review can feel uncomfortable, but it isn't negativity. It's continuity. Deep thinkers store information differently. Memory and meaning overlap. Lessons stay open longer, so the brain audits instead of celebrating. Another reason intelligent people feel lost at the start of a new year is social contrast. When everyone around you appears motivated and confident, your internal pause can feel like something is wrong. But psychology shows that intelligent minds often move inward before moving forward. While others feel driven by external momentum, deep thinkers feel pulled toward internal alignment. That difference can make you feel out of sync with the world, even when nothing is actually wrong. Highly intelligent minds also experience motivation differently. They don't feel hype first. They feel evaluation. Before excitement arrives, the brain performs a quiet cost-benefit analysis. It takes emotional inventory. It compares who you were last year with who you are now. While others rush into goals, intelligent minds ask deeper questions. Am I aligned with who I became? Did I outgrow certain ambitions? Why does what used to motivate me feel empty now? This reflective delay often gets misinterpreted. From the outside, it looks like hesitation. Internally, it can feel like being stuck. But psychologically, it's deeper processing. Action is delayed because the direction hasn't stabilized yet. The mind refuses to move forward until the internal structure makes sense. Here's something most people don't realize. If you're intelligent, your growth this year probably wasn't visible. It didn't show up as achievements, recognition, or dramatic life changes. It showed up in subtle shifts. You stopped reacting to things that once triggered you. Certain environments started draining you faster than before. You formed boundaries without announcing them. You began choosing silence over explanation. These are signs of internal reorganization, not stagnation. When internal growth happens faster than external change, the mind feels unanchored. The old identity no longer fits, but the new one isn't fully defined yet. That's when people describe feeling lost. But the feeling isn't emptiness. It's transition. You're between versions of yourself. Psychology doesn't see this lost feeling as failure. It sees it as cognitive realignment. Your old mental map no longer works, but the new map hasn't been completed yet. That gap feels uncomfortable because humans crave certainty. But that same gap is where insight forms. This is why intelligent people often feel unsettled before clarity, not after. Confusion signals that the mind is reorganizing itself. Another reason this phase feels intense is because intelligent minds are aware of it while it's happening. Many people change without noticing. Deep thinkers feel every internal shift in real time. They sense misalignment early. They feel identity changes before they become visible. That awareness can make the process feel heavier, even though it's actually healthy. This state doesn't last forever. Once intelligent minds rebuild internal structure, new priorities, new meaning, new direction, clarity returns. Not suddenly, not dramatically, but quietly and gradually. Motivation follows understanding, not the other way around. That's why intelligent people often start the year feeling confused, yet end it deeply transformed. So if the new year didn't energize you, if it made you pause instead of push, it doesn't mean you're behind. It means your mind is recalibrating. And recalibration always comes before growth, not after. Did this year feel confusing for you, or quietly transformative? If this explains something you couldn't put into words, you're not alone.